All these years gave me a chance to reflect and think. And I think I finally come to the realization of why I still travel this land and why you found peace. You always were the strong one. I don't know whether it's things I've seen, things I've done that keeps me here. Here I am. I was thinking the other day, I was showing Mr. Way used to make me that fat back and biscuits. He sent me off when I was working on the raft down on the Susquehanna. Mr. Way, you tuck your feet up under mine. Get rid of that morning chill. I showed Mr. Way you'd say my name and purse your lips when you was mad at me. You seen patties lately? Make sure you stay away from them. Everybody knows you had a hankering for the darker persuasion. You had the audacity to bury your bones in the Shrouded Cemetery. That just, I don't understand that. I don't understand it. Well, Liza, I guess it's about time for me to get on. Every year around this time, you can look forward to seeing me again. Until I find peace. I love you. And I miss you.